this tutorial, we're going to learn how to change the background color inside Procreate Dreams. You can check out the description box below for instructions to download the project file to follow along. So here we are inside a Procreate file. You want to tap on the timecode, which is the string of numbers next to your stage. Just tap on it. And the third option lets you choose the background color. You will be able to view it in real time. So over here, you can see the sliver of triangle is my background, and I can change it to different colors. Also, you can set it as transparent, which can be really helpful if you're making GIFs. So this will set the background to transparent. So that's how you change the background color in Procreate Dreams. I will see you in the next video.